know we are doing a boy.
When you do blood, hold up on hand, you don't move. Hey boy, Marvin, hey pussy, you want to have a box like your blood clot to the youth. Should I me?
We're doing blood clot move.
Yeah, man, no move, man, no turn up.
You're kidding.
That beat me. I no stress if you say bills can't pay, no. I just my mental health, bro. You see me? More why I want somebody to talk to and I don't know who to trust to talk to, bro. Because what? I go tell you something now, by the time I take a stop, you go tell she go tell him go tell them. So I can't even talk, I have to just hold in the pain. I have to just hold my pain and hold my emotions, bro. Because I don't trust nobody to talk to and vent to. I think I could have trust Marvin. I talk to your dog, I show your dog certain levels where it and I dog same one. Marvin just make me feel like watch I know. Make people go on. You can't trust people. But I not hate you, bro. I understand say you're young at the moment, dog. You see me? And your mind not really stable, bro. But you have to be careful, dog. You have to be careful, man, my brother. People there with you from day one, bro, you know, make strangers come around. And you sell them out for stranger, bro. And that's how things work, dog. I could have sell you out enough time, bro. And I push you for them on the level with me, the dog. I never did I expect that from you, bro. Just like how me have your back, bro, I saw me I expected it if you have for me back too, bro. And this is not a bring down message towards you, because you know I saw we deal with the brother them. But my brother, you have to be careful, dog. The world we live in, bro, you have to be careful. You have to be careful, man, my bro. Chad, I'm forced enough to believe in but me know say me a real youth. Me know me a real youth. And nobody can never come on social media and say me this and me that. Me real to the core, bro. Me real to the core. And you know what hurt me, bro? When I hear the little conversation on the phone and I just take it phone away and make me look like a pussy. Cause they don't like me. When I hear the conversation, that make you look like say, yo, Jano, poor Marvin. And look how figure it out to deal with him. I feel that shit, bro. I feel it. I feel, when I see me there, deal tears come on my eye, bro. Come here and say, look there. And me a victim and look how them not even know what go on. And I made them a beat. I feel that shit, bro. Me I tell you. I feel it, dog. To my bone. To my bone, and then now come say, allow me. John, what dog?
Yeah. You know there, no? You there,
Too messy over here, dog. I'm gonna stop it, my youth. Too messy for show, bro.
What we do? What we do, man? We not do that, you know?
Nah, man, I'm telling my sister, them. I'm a good man. No, I love alone, man, my dog. For nothing different, man.
Talking to each other again. Moderator, if somebody named Barry Jackson, block him. If somebody named Barry, block him.
Jen.
Figure make them mute people, don't make them block them.
Yeah, man, I'm out them, I'm out them. Nearly have one of them blood clot pass out thing that this man and again, dog. Me so show your vibes.
Oh, God, I can pass out, so.
Boy, me a try for wet me and my blood pressure high, dog.
Yeah, eat, Papa.
Me a try, no. Me a try for it, bro.
Okay.
I try your fuck, dog. I swear to you.
I forgot buy some malt to figure it out. Calm your nerves.
Me don't wanna get the pressure me as no weak. Like oh, I will look it as she better if you give me a grip.
Oh, that general.
I like things, me not mad over no girl.
Can't hate them, you know. Can't hate them. My sister, them, man. Can't hate them. Can't hate them. Watch me and them, you know. No blood clot. Act like me vex with them. Me have coconut water, man. I buy that every one of them. I have to sit down like a bit. I feel dizzy. I go feel coconut water, man. I kind of feel dizzy and I catch.